So guys, oh, before you ask the question, this is the aspect I was going to show you about how AI is coming for us all, right? Are you ready for it? So take a look. I'll create a new page, right? And this is where you do like your Q&A, question and answer, right? Natural language processing. I double click anywhere and I can ask, since I've already created structured data from my data set, I can ask a question. I can say top 10 grossing movies or something, right? I can say top 10 uh, top 10 grossing movies by year. And look at that. Look at look at AI coming for us all. So we're data scientists, we data scientists and data analysts, right? That are, trying to initiate a change in how, we analyze data, how we see data. Our jobs are also being threatened, right, by AI, right? It's I mean, you can type anything. I can say top 5 movie title, right, by domestic. I can just do that. So these are domestic earnings, right? Top 5 movie titles by domestic earnings. This is this is this is this is insane. Anyway, that aside, this concludes the webinar, guys.